Hey, visit the link in the description for a special surprise just for you.
Back in your Products tab and right here under your orders, you'll find our coupons feature. You might want to use coupons if you want to give a discount to your customers for a particular product that you offer. Creating a coupon is super simple. Just click on Create and fill out the required information. First, write a name for your coupon so you can easily find it and identify it. Then, type the code that you want your customers to use in order to get the discount. Then, choose the discount type, so it can be a fixed amount or a percentage. It really depends on your discount strategy. And now, since I chose percentage, I must also type the percentage amount. And let's make it 20% for this example. Additionally, you can choose an expiration date for your coupon. Let's say this coupon is just for a limited time only, so you can choose the expiration date here, and after this date, the coupon will not work anymore. For example, let's choose May 30th as the expiration date for this one. So this is the date my coupon will stop working. And now the last field is the limit of use, and this is like the inventory for your coupons. So how many of them are available to use? For example, if I put 10 here, it means that after being used 10 times, the coupon will no longer be available. So if someone tries to use it for an 11th time, it will not work for them. Now you just need to click Save and the coupon will be added to the list and is active, as you can see. Now, if you don't want a coupon to be active anymore for any reason, you just need to come here to the list again, go to your coupon's three-dot menu and click on Deactivate. Okay, so now that the coupon is created, let's see how to actually use it or link it to the products that you're offering. So the first thing you would do is choose a funnel where you're selling your offer and then add it to your order form. So let's open an order form here. And if I want my coupon to work here, I would just click on the plus button here right next to coupons, look for it on the list, we'll name it test, so here it is, and save. And then after that, there's another step to make sure that our coupon works. So we need to go into the editor of this page and then add the coupon element, which will allow the customer to write their coupon code. Let's look for the element right here on the left and drag and drop it right here. This way, when someone is about to check out, they'll be able to apply their coupon and get their discount. And finally, let's check if everything is working. So here's the full price for this offer. This is a physical product. So if I wanted to buy this t-shirt with a discount and I know a coupon code, that I would just type it right here. If I put a random word, it will not work. So it will say coupon not found. So let's just write the right word, which is test. Once I do that, the 20% discount is immediately applied, which was the amount that we set for our coupon.
Leave a comment below if you have any questions, and don't forget to subscribe.